Welcome back to my blog. Today's snowy storm. I took this mic holder so I can find. I always lose my mic somewhere, and because it's small and not easy to detect where it is. So this kind of toxic yellow green color helps me to find it. So my tent is still here, but it flew away before because I was thinking what could happen to 20 kilograms tent, and also there's a bed, warm floor. It's like too heavy to fly, but apparently not for Astana with its winds. Ah, it's pretty like it's not that cold, but the winds make it feel make it feels very cold because you can see it. I'm not sure how on action cam you can see the snow falling, but it's huge. So I have a stove here. I tested before. I was thinking maybe to cook something today on the stove. Cannot go outside and camp or for fishing because one of my dog got sick. This one. He has some problems with the bones, might be arthritis, I don't know. Unfortunately, uh, medicine and doctors have like that can help to pets in Astana very rare. So if you're considering moving to Kazakhstan in general and you have dogs or cats, be aware of it. It's very hard to maintain a health of the pets because well, there are just a few places in Kazakhstan where some people can help you. So yeah, let's make the stove dry and try to cook some meat. Meat, vegetables, rice. I have a mushrooms. It's actually nice weather. I'm gonna wear something else to keep me warm because the wind is terrible. So yeah, enjoy the rest of the video. I hope you'll like it. Looks like it worked. The wind is very strong. It's actually hot It's been like 2 hours. I think I'm trying to make the stove burn, but nothing works. I put paper, I put tissue, I put I tried everything, but maybe it's too wet. Too wet and windy. I'm not sure. Yeah. I already cut the vegetables, ready to cook, but the stove is cold and it's super windy. I already replaced the wooden brick just in case. This is the main reason why it's not burning. Maybe its previous was wet or something, but it's not helping. I'm kind of frustrated. 2 hours, oh fuck. 2 hours is a lot. And also the wind is freezing. Oh wow. My gates cannot close it properly because of the wind. Here cannot close it. Looks like the wind goes there and just break my fence. Disappointing Sunday. We need to change it immediately. Okay, guys, I spent hours outside cooking dinner for today, and you know, the best moment actually is about when you. The best moment after hot shower, in a fresh, clean clothes, in a warm room. Um, I'm going to have my dinner, watch some YouTube, and after enjoy Apex Legends. Also, I have my room where I work from. I want to decorate, maybe put some Christmas lights here, so I have Christmas vibe, and I need to clean this a bit, so it's not that messy. I already started yesterday, but it's not yet ready. So yeah, and yeah, I need to clean some breakfast leftovers. Whew, it feels good. It feels good. I failed to cook dinner on the stove because the wind is crazy. If I cook maybe inside of the tent, it would be easier. But since I try to cook outside, the wind is crazy, and also the temperature was a little bit higher during the day, so it was like rainy, snowy storm. And because it was rainy, the whole stove was wet, and the wooden blocks been wet, and it was really hard to make a fire inside. I've done the fire, and I fired up paper, but not the wooden blocks, so I failed. But with the temperature higher than 0 Celsius, the gas balance kind of works. So I cooked in the end on the gas, and well, it worked. I'm gonna have a nice dinner today. Shout out to my friends Marina. She made this kind of socks, or how you call it in English. So I feel warm during the winter because, well, I do not have warm floor everywhere, and it's pretty cold sometimes. And with this, I'm kind of fashionista and warm. So it actually tastes very good. It doesn't look maybe that good, but the taste is amazing. If you have a place like a real kitchen, or you want to cook it outside, it's pretty easy if you know how to fire up the stove, or your temperature allow you to cook with gas, even better. So beef, rice, mushrooms, onion, and cream cheese. That's it. A little bit of olive oil, barbecue spices, and black pepper. So that's it. And this is delicious. While I was cleaning snow, it became cold, so I needed to warm up, and I decided to mix it all together. Why not? Yeah, that's it. I wanted to say something, but I forgot. If you like my videos and you want me to make them more often, you can support me on Patreon. I will leave link in description below. You also can share my videos or like them. I'm not sure how algorithm in YouTube works, but hopefully it will help. As a new creator, for me, it's pretty hard to develop this channel, but I'll try my best. I also have a full-time job. I work as a security engineer, and this is my hobby, which hopefully will become something more than just hobby. I want to find my people, community who travel around the world. I travel a lot. I visited 17 countries. I've been in many places. Some of the countries I visited many times. I lived 7 years in Vietnam before, so I've seen many different cultures, and currently I'm in Kazakhstan. It's the place where I was born, and it has its own beautiful places I want to explore before I move to another country. And the whole new year and the spring would be for me a preparation for my main trip through the Kazakhstan. Might be visiting. I'm not sure what's the format would be. Depends on my budget. That's why I decided to create a Patreon page. I want to travel through the Kazakhstan. I want to sell my current Suzuki Jimny car and buy Toyota Hilux, so I can put all the stuff and can travel long ranges. Because Kazakhstan is a huge country. If you never heard of it, just Google, you will be surprised. It's not just about Borat movie, it's more. We have a sometimes somewhere civilization here, but some places still stayed untouched, and I want to explore them. And for this, I need a special equipment, special care, and I also have a dog. So I travel with dogs, which means I need even more space. And I talk to the people who are more professional than me in this topic, and they advise me to buy Toyota Hilux because it's very common in Kazakhstan, which would means easy to fix in any place I'll be. And also it's very off-road ready even with basic configuration, so I started to save money now. And I also plan to, if I can hopefully sell my Suzuki Jimny, which I really love. It's really cool car. If it has more space, I would never sell it. But I need to sacrifice something to follow my dream. And the goal is to sell Suzuki Jimny before the May, buy Toyota Hilux and prepare for the trip, for the summer trip. There are two options I can do. The first is just travel. I was thinking about it, just travel, like stay at home most of the time. I'm in Astana, based in Astana, and travel to different places like a separate trips, or just if I have maybe more budget, I just go and spend 3 months around the Kazakhstan without not going back to home. In this case, I can visit the places which is like far away from my home. Yeah, the second option looks like makes more sense because you go, you create a road and you follow it. And I also, since I cannot afford myself, do not work, I will be working. I already ordered and I have Starlink. I tested it. It's not the best, but it will allow me to work on the go. I also bought, so here is the EcoFlow, which is a battery I'm going to use. I also bought and ordered from China solar panels. I already received them, I have them, I tested them. So I have some items which will help me to stay independent from electricity, and I can live and work while traveling. Yeah, I still not sure if I can afford Toyota Hilux. I try my best to save money, and even this channel I started, so maybe I can find some support. If I'm not sure if someone is interested in this content, but I love to watch content when someone, like the people traveling in the places I've never been. I'm very curious, and it's very interesting when you travel solo because you're and your thoughts somewhere and that's it, no one else nearby, and you can think of like different things about life, purpose, and you don't have other people, other opinions near you, and you can finally clearly decide who are you and what is important in this life for you. And I think this trip also from this side is very important for me to stay like a solo, to overcome hard times and to become even more stronger person, because our brain works by the way, we cannot become more confident until we have some proof, and the proof is not going from nowhere. You need to do actually things, you need to overcome hard times, and after that you'll become more confident person. And I think the whole thoughts and plans and ideas for now, it's more like a dream and plans which is not confirmed because I'm not sure about my budget. It's because of my motivation become better person. And another thing I want to explore is the way if it's actually possible to live on the go and work even in such country as Kazakhstan, which is not pleasant and not, I mean, for traveling, for road trips, we have no infrastructure for that. We have no camping sites, like maybe few, like two in the whole Kazakhstan. I'm not sure, and they're very in a bad condition. It's not the same as in US. You go to the camping site, everything is ready. You connect it to electricity. You have like a shower, sometimes swimming pools. Nothing here like this. So there are a few things for me very interested in this trip. And I like researches. I like to research things and share with people how the things I really are. That's why I want to do this, and I want to document it with this blog. So yeah, if you feel you like it, subscribe, and I'll do more interesting content. Here I will be talking about cooking, healthy lifestyle, general life, Kazakhstan, since currently I'm in Kazakhstan, camping, traveling, fishing. By the way, Suzuki Jimny, my current car. Love it. Okay, it's time to play Apex Legends. Usually when I play Apex, I have multiple keyboards. This one, it's a Razer. Do not ever buy Razer. I'm not sure, might be something wrong with exactly this model. Not responsive. Now I'm using Republic of Gamers with bloody headphones and Razer mouse. I'm not sure if Razer is a good company. The advertising is very huge, but in general performance, I think Bloody is kind of budget version of Razer, but I like it more. Usually when I game, I turn on my cozy light. I like to create spaces where it's all cozy. Here is my vinyls. So some plants, and yeah, so have a good day everybody, and hope to see you in the next video.